So we got this thing fixed at a very specific height, and it's all holding together, and this stick is firm. So now that laser is being shot out at a perfectly level height. And so then if I move the laser up or down, I'll find where that laser hits. It's kind of a little bit squirrely. Sometimes what I do is I think I might have it too high, so what I'll do is I'll move it down lower. Okay, once it's a solid sound like that, we know we're in the right spot. There you go, put a stake right there. I'm thinking that this is our entry point, which we're going to dig down, and then we're gonna do a bowl from here. We are going to probably do a dam out. Never ever have your outwater go over a dam, never. That'll destroy the dam. It'll take the dam right out. The whole dam will be gone. Instead, what you do is you run the water off of the side where it's, natural slope, and then the water goes down that. And then you might put some rocks and stuff in it to help kind of make sure that when you get a heavy flow, it doesn't like rinse away the hillside. The contour lines do not dictate where our dam goes. It's more like where are things now that are level. But we want to understand that because on the other side of the dam is going to be where our water flows out. And so then that's going to be a good point to try and understand. So that stake's already put there. Let's do a stake on the other side. All right. Lasers are fun, man, in my experience. If you go over 8 feet for the height of the dam, then it's possible that, you could get into trouble. I'm thinking like, let's bring the dam here, and then let's like make more bowl back in here. I'm thinking that the important ingredient for this pond is gonna be the stillness of the pond with a lot of water coming in. So a big, beefy pond is important. Whereas granted, you're thinking correctly about edge. But at this point in time, I'm thinking I actually want to do the opposite for a moment. I think edge can come later. Okay. Right now, my primary mission is I want to clean the water. Cleaning the water is more important than having more edge. Probably when it starts to rain, this pond will probably be empty. And it'll gradually fill up, and then I imagine it's going to dry out, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Then you're going to dig out a lot of material, and we're going to have a lot of excess material, which might come in mighty handy for building swales and hugelkulturs.